Lane Myers wins Friday. Craig Hendry court updates. Friday saw YouTuber Lane Myers survive another controversial livestream in which he verbally assaulted a judge handling a hearing involving the YouTuber. By Saturday, Myers had turned his attention back to YouTuber Christopher Direct D. Ruff, with a convoluted plan to either get sued by or sue Ruff production company in order to forcibly take over Ruff's YouTube channel. We bring up Myers and his convoluted and headache-inducing scheme as we actually owe Myers an apology. We missed a $20 donation late posted to his GiveSendGo account on Thursday and failed to include it in Friday's report. While the donation did not give him the victory for the day, it did put him in second place for the day. We've provided an upgraded graphic with this news story, and we apologize to Myers for again missing his donation. Myers had more good news, as he actually won Friday's take with a $30 donation, and Myers is Saturday's victor, as no other campaigns received donations for Friday. The two donations put Myers at a total of $50 in donations for the month, $65 in donations for the year, and a total of $2,714 for the lifetime of the GiveSendGo campaign. Sadly, we don't good news for Myers' competitor for Jose Chili de Castro's affections in Craig Hendry. Hendry's GoFundMe drought has continued into a second month without a donation. While De Castro mentioned Hendry on a recent livestream to indicate he was still funding his commissary purchases, Hendry received mixed news in other police-related matters. Hendry's appeal for his November conviction of felony stalking and misdemeanor harassment out of Vermilion has had some updates. The court received a notice of the filing of Hendry's trial transcript on February 21, 2025. This is one of the first steps in the appeals process, and the transcript itself can be quite expensive to produce. No hearings have been set for the appeal as of yet. In Sullivan County, where Hendry is facing charges of intimidation, disorderly conduct, and refusing to leave an emergency incident area, he was granted a continuance of his next hearing for unspecified reasons. Due to the continuance, his jury trial has been rescheduled from May 6, 2025 to July 1, 2025. Here have been no updates to his separate charges of resisting law enforcement/unlawful encroachment and making a false complaint against a police officer out of Greene County. Hendry still has 2 warrants for his arrest after missing November court dates for both sets of charges, despite being jailed in Sullivan County at the time of the hearings. It's unclear if and when the charges against him in Greene County will be resolved, as there has been no activity in either case in 2025. Hendry is currently serving a sentence of 548 days in jail for the Vermilion County charges, with 79 days of credit for being held in jail during his pre-trial and time off for good behavior. Hendry may be released later this year.
Journalism is not free. Both ReallyCoolSite.org's daily newspaper and our daily newscasts are funded by your continuing donations and what we make from our YouTube AdSense revenue each month. If you'd like to contribute to help us keep the lights on, eating, keeping the cats fed, and writing news stories to feature on both the newspaper and newscast each day, we do have a GoFundMe set up at the address on screen right now. If you can't afford to contribute, please watch our videos from beginning to end. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. You can help by doing next to nothing, and we thank you in advance for pitching in.